Okay, we have here an example problem on moment distribution method in beams with settlement of supports. Okay, so the problem is analyze the continuous beam shown if support B yields by 9 mm. Take EI equal to 1 times 10 to the 12 Newton mm squared. Okay, now we are given a continuous beam with fixed at A, pin at B, and also a pin at C. So it is loaded with a concentrated load on member AB, uniformly distributed load on member BC, and we have an overhang at CD. So at the end D, at the end of the overhang, there is a 20 kilonewton load. Okay, so first step is to determine the fixed end moments. Now take note that the members here are carrying a load, and also there is a settlement at B. Okay, so solving for the fixed end moments for member AB, so naa siya concentrated load nga 60 kilonewtons at 2 meters from the left end, and since B settles by 9 mm, so if you connect the cord from A to B, okay, so there is a rotation of the cord which is clockwise, and as we know from our sign convention, clockwise rotation, clockwise moment is positive. Okay, so duha ang imong fixed end moments ani, due to the load and due to the settlement. So atong himo ang figure, this is our member AB loaded with 60 kilonewton concentrated load, and at B there is a settlement of 0.009 meters. So we convert 9 mm to meter since our units are in meters and kilonewtons. Okay, so as you can see here, there is a counterclockwise moment at the left and a clockwise moment at the right. Okay, so if the load is like this, our formula is PAB squared over L squared for the fixed end moment AB. And due to the settlement at B, okay, so we are given the direction of the moment if there is a settlement at the right. Okay, so the moment is counterclockwise. So ani, so mao nang ang imong mga moments sa AB imong i-add. Okay, so due to the load, negative PAB squared over L squared, and due to the settlement, you have minus 6EI delta over L squared. So substituting, you have minus 60 to 1 squared over 3 squared, and minus 6. Since we are given EI equal to 1,000, so mauna na itong i-substitute. Okay, 6 times 1,000 times 0.009 over 3 squared, the length of AB, and that is equal to minus 19.33, minus 19.33 kilonewton meter. Okay, for the fixed end moment for member BA, so we have due to the load at the right end, you have a clockwise moment, so that is positive, and due to the settlement, you have a counterclockwise moment, and that is negative. So your formula will be PBA squared over L squared minus 6EI delta over L squared. So if we substitute the values, that would be equal to positive 20.67 kilonewton meter. Okay, for member BC, we do the same. Okay, so BC has a load of 20 kilonewton per meter. Yang iyang mga end moments sa left counterclockwise and the right clockwise. Now since sa member BC, ang B na ining settle sa left end na sa member BC. So the direction of the moment due to settlement is clockwise. Puro siya clockwise. So i-add na po nimo ang moment diri sa left end. So due to the load that is minus WL squared over 12, and due to the settlement that is positive 6EI delta over L squared. So substituting the values, you will have your moment equal to negative 58.5. And for the right end, from CB, okay, so ang imong due to the load that is clockwise, so positive, and due to the settlement that is also clockwise, so positive. So i-add mo silang duha. And that would equal to 61.5 kilonewton meter.